Tatakbo na.
And they're on their way, 7A Empire Queen draws for your lead. Salvatore in second, racing in third is Marcus Wolf, then moving up by the rail. Boy Pick Up in between runners is entry number 6, Himless, then followed by Pilio, then comes Midnight Break, and moving up Arrowhead coming from behind. Now improving its position, racing in fifth as they race towards the 600 meters pole. Now we have Boy Pick Up takes command in between runners. Salvatore, Empire Queen running on the outside. Then comes Marcus Wolf, Himless. Then followed now by Arrowhead and Pilio as they round towards the 450. It's Boy Pick Up. Salvatore is running by the rail, racing now in third, Marcus Wolf, and down the stretch they come. Boy Pick Up is still leading the field. Salvatore once again on the outside. Boy Pick Up, Salvatore still in second, but it's Boy Pick Up, Salvatore once again on the outside. Boy Pick Up, this time by about a length, and finally Boy Pick Up. Then comes Salvatore, 7A Empire Queen, Pilio, Himless for your pen.